பொழில் மாலிரும் சோலை நாறு நரம் பொழில் மாலிரும் சோலை நம்பிக்கு நூறு தடா வெண்ணெய் வாய் நேர்ந்து பராவி வைத்தே This is in Andal's Nachiyar Tirumozhi, one of the verses that she has written, where she says, if she ends up marrying the Lord at Srirangam, she will offer 100 tadas of butter and 100 tadas of akara arisil. This is celebrated even today on the 27th day of Margazhi, where there's a small token where they make 100 cups of akara arisil and 100 cups of butter which they keep in front of the Lord. And of course, no sweet is complete without a generous serving of ghee. So this is done. I feel blessed cooking in front of the majestic Kapalishwara temple as the sun sets over Chennai. I heard about a secret concert being organized in an undisclosed location in Anna Nagar and signed up for it. I'm curious and I had no idea that an underground scene like this existed in Chennai.
So Sofar Sounds is a global organization that started in 2009 in London, and it started off as a group of people who basically just wanted to have a good time and not go to a bar where they would hear a lot of other things apart from the music. So it was just a group of friends that had a music session at home and called friends over, and that's literally how it started.
And my friends all agree, but when you kiss me,
Sofar, I feel, is the best way that integrates sort of indie artists in a city, and especially what I think is important to me is how it mixes genres. Sort of like today we saw an opera singer. I remember some time ago watching a Tamil rapper.
Seems like such an amazing hidden treasure in all of these cities that I wish I would have known about it sooner.
What an amazing city Chennai is. Just this morning, I was at a temple thousands of years old, steeped in traditions, and by evening at Sofar, in the midst of eager, talented youth from across the globe.